Okay, Bob. Let race. Who will win? No, I don't want. Be careful, bro. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Bob, a Cora. Avoid it. Hurry up. Allahu Akbar.
My dad died a year ago, and on my birthday he gave me a bicycle. But I rode it too hard and the bicycle broke. Oh God.
Kekak. A bicycle just broke at body. He hit rambutan tree. We try to avoid big tortoise.
Ha 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 ha, Bob. You eat a lot chocodo every day. That's why your bike broke lah. You are heavy as the tortoise.
Ala, help us lah ka.
Okay, this time I'll help you. Let me meet my Abeng Wadi. Maybe he can settle this. He is my superhero.
Thanks, Kakak. Love you, Kakak. Abang Wadi, help us, please. This part broken lah.
Guys, oh this one small matter, I will weld the broken part. Okay guys, job done, success.
Wow, tip top. Thanks, Abang. You are our superhero.
Yes, I'm super welcome.
Abang, come back. Abang, you're good at welding. Where do you learn? Teach us a bit about welding.
There are 4 common types of welding. Let me explain. First, arc welding. It's the most common. It uses electricity to create a really hot arc that melts the metal and joins it together. It's great for outdoor work and strong materials like steel. The finish looks a bit rough and messy sometimes. Second, we have gas welding. This one uses a mix of oxygen and acetylene gas to create a flame. It's good for delicate or thin metals like copper pipes. It's an older method, but still useful. Next is TIG welding. This one is clean and neat. TIG stands for tungsten inert gas. It uses a tungsten electrode and is perfect for fine, precise work, especially with stainless steel or aluminium. It takes skill and patience, but the results are beautiful. And finally, MIG welding. MIG means metal inert gas. It uses a machine that feeds wire while you weld. It's fast, efficient, and great for big projects, like car bodies or metal frames. Super beginner friendly too. You know what, Bob Abin? If you're interested in welding and machines, you should study mechanical engineering. There's a great place just nearby, Polytechnic Seberang Pirai in Seberang Pirai, Penang. That's where I studied. It's right in the middle of a booming industrial area. There are lots of factories and engineering companies around, so it's easy to get practical experience. The diploma in mechanical engineering course there is really solid. You'll learn about machines, welding design, and even how power plants work. Best part? The campus is comfortable, the food is cheap and super tasty, and the environment is fun. You'll make lots of friends and enjoy student life. Maybe one day you can ask your cousins to study there too.
Where welding is fun, we want to try. At Polytechnic Seberang Perai, machines and sparks go zip and zap. We'll build cool things just like that. Let's learn together.
Thanks for watching.
Bob and Abe and best friends all day, riding bikes and running away. In the village where fun begins with laughter, smiles and happy friends.